Simplify. 5 into 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3, entire expression raised to the power 3, and then 5 into this also raised to the power 1 by 4. So, are you scared? Don't. I know it looks complex in the beginning, but it is not. It is very simple and we are going to do it in no time. Just follow the procedure, go step by step, don't jump. Let's do it. The first point, you see here 8 and here we have 27. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 while 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. So we are going to use this to simplify it in our question. 5 we already have. Instead of 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. We already have the power 1 by 3 over here plus 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. We already have the power 1 by 3 over here, and then this entire expression is raised to the power 3, and then this entire expression is raised to the power 1 by 4. So by replacing 8 with 2 to the power 3 and by replacing 27 with 3 to the power 3, we get an opportunity to simplify it further. How? Simple. We write here 5, then we have 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. How? Remember the identity? A to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. We have used this identity. Same way, here also we have 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. And this entire expression is raised to the power 3, and then this entire expression is raised to the power 1 by 4. We are not making any changes in this for now. Now here if you see, 3 cancels out 3, here also 3 cancels out 3, thus reducing it extremely. In the next step, we get 5, 2, because here we have 3 into 1 by 3 which is cancelled out, so we have 1, so it can be written as 2. Plus, same way here also the powers are cancelled, so we have the power as 1, which can be written as simply 3 rather than 3 to the power 1. This raised to the power 3 and this raised to the power 1 by 4, which is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1 by 4. See, now it is so simple. This is equal to 5 into 5 to the power 3. There is no power, means we have power 1. If you look at this, we have an identity which fits here. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we get 5 to the power 1 plus 3 raised to the power 1 by 4, which is equal to 5 to the power 4 raised to the power 1 by 4, which is equal to, now we have the identity a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Using this identity here, we get 5 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 and 4 cancels out and we get 5 as the answer. You see how simple it was. You just don't have to get scared. Start solving it, follow the procedure, go step by step, and you have the answer. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.